we have made a game called Pokemans, but it's in the selection screen where it's called Pokemon. That's an error. But if we just introduce the game, we have a start screen. We have name selection, and then we continue to running the game. We have different levels with different enemies. So every third level you will transfer to a new level with new visuals and different looking enemies. Every level the game gets harder, more bullets will spawn, and
Faster.
the bullets will get faster and the enemies will get faster. There's also power-ups and extra health. You can see here that guy will drop some power-ups, and
How many levels are there in total?
Unlimited.
unlimited
Potential.
levels, but we have 3 different kind of graphical designs. So
And every time you hop, you jump to a new level, it's more speed, or how does it increase the level difficulty?
Between every level, the speed of enemies and the bullets and the amount of bullets they shoot increase.
Mm.
So it's multiplied by the level you're currently on. So we can see the last level when we kill these. And that's the last graphical setting we have. So when this is done, we will rotate back to the original graphics and we can continue playing. And it will just get harder and harder from there. And,
The power-ups we have is there's HP up, so you gain another more health, and then another one is it's increasing the fire rate of your shots, and the speed of them as well.
Mm-hmm.
When we die, we have a high score selection or a high score screen where you can see yourself compared to others.
Can your men move all over the screen or just on the lower part?
We have a limit to the lower part, so you can't move up above the enemies and kind of bug the game.
And these scores, are they saved on the SD card, or they're just saved while you run the board? I mean, before you reset the board.
It's only when the run. Yeah. We would I'd like to have them extended lifetime, but this.
Okay. So let's talk about the implementation. What have you done in software and what have you done in the hardware? Is everything running from the FPGA, or I mean from the Zybo board, or?
So we have a selection of IP cores, which is made in the VH data code, and those IP cores we want to use have been uploaded to the Cyberboard.
Have you made your own IP cores, or were you using some existing ones?
We are using some existing ones, and we are not using all of them because we have taken it from an example and built from there. We have implemented some SPI connections to get the controller working, and we have a connection with VGA which uploads pictures to the screen.
When you say the SPI connection, how does it? I mean, how does the controller relate to the SPI connection? Could you explain that more?
Right, we have an ADC which converts analog inputs to digital, and the analog inputs are from the joystick, which is 2 potentiometers. And when those numbers are converted, we send them over the SPI protocol, which shift data into the memory of the cyberboard, and we can then select it and use it in the game.
Okay. So what was the most challenging thing that you've done in the project?
That's been a lot, I think.
My personal thing is the way the entire game structure is, because if you start with an idea and then you finish it and you realize this is going to be too slow, you have to almost start all over. And that happened to us after 1 week, so we have to reprogram the entire structure and think differently about how we do things.
Yeah, pretty much starts from scratch again.
Yeah, but we learned a lot, so we made it faster.
Okay. And what's the thing you're most proud of?
I think the graphics maybe. It's quite nice and smooth running.
The way graphics is displayed and we draw the background so we don't have shadows and stuff, there's a lot of back end with the graphics to make it run smooth as well. We don't draw the entire screen, we just draw individual.
The moving parts.
Yeah,
How many frames per second are you showing?
I think we have the maximum VSync interrupt, so that's 60 frames per
60
second.
frames per second. And are you using double buffering or single?
Yes, we're using double buffering.
We had some graphical glitches without it, so
Yeah.
we had to implement it. Otherwise, it would look glitchy with artifact effects and stuff.
Mm. Okay. So I think that's it. Thank you.